How are you feeling today? Are you feeling calm or are you feeling a little bit anxious? Most of the times we begin the new year anxious, and in this video I'm going to show you how to let go of that anxiousness and embrace the stillness and the calmness that comes with embracing a new season, a new year, a new life, a new baby, and whatever new thing that comes your way. I have my note here so you catch me looking down. No, I don't want to take you all around the world. How to enter the new year calm instead of anxious. So let us begin by understanding why anxiety rises in January. Anxiety rises in January principally because of two main reasons. The first reason is that you're unsure of what the coming year is going to look like, and the second reason is that you feel so many emotions about the previous year that you just had, and those two reasons most times is what causes the anxiety that we feel in January. So how do you deal with that feeling? Because dealing with the cause of this anxiety is what actually deals with the anxiety. The anxiety is a fruit. It's like if you have a tree in front of you that you want to kill that tree, if you don't kill the roots that are feeding that tree and you rather destroy the branches, you're not killing that tree. You're just reducing the intensity of the damage. So we are going to look at how you can solve these two things that cause anxiety. The very first way to solve the fear of not knowing what a year will look like is to predict that year. Of course, we cannot guarantee tomorrow. Nobody has the guarantee of what tomorrow is going to look like in their hand. But you have all what it takes to predict what tomorrow will look like for you. You have the tools, you have the power, you have the skills, and you can literally define what tomorrow will look like. Walking with God and doing your best, it can happen. And so to beat the feeling of anxiety that comes with what is my year going to look like is simple. Just get a pen and a paper and talk to yourself. What do you want to be this year? We are so caught up with trying to do things so much so that we forget that we are human beings who can actually be anything that we want to be. If you want to be a big man this year, you can be. If you want to be a big woman this year, you can be. If you want to be fit, you can be. If you want to be excellent, if you want to be rich, you can be all of these things. But the truth is that you have to first of all know it and be clear about it. Once you know it and you're clear about it, you have to embrace it and know it that this is who I want to be this year. And after you do all of these things, you can now begin to take steps on how to execute these things you want to be. For example, if one of the things you want to be this year is you want to be fit, what do? You need to wake up early and exercise a little bit more. You need to watch what you eat. You need to watch what you drink. You need to watch how you sleep, when you sleep, and you just need to make a whole lifestyle change because it is important. The next thing you need to do is that you need to forgive yourself for whatever happened last year. Whatever happened yesterday has passed. You cannot go back and change it. You need to forgive yourself and move on. The only thing you can do about anything that happened yesterday is that you can learn from it. You can learn from it and make changes so you don't find yourself in those same positions again. If last year you added 20 kilos instead of losing 5 kilos, what did you do that caused you to add 20 kilos? It's the only thing you can do. You cannot go back and say, I will not add these 20 kilos that I added last year. No, you are already with the 20 kilos. But what can you learn from that experience is what you're supposed to focus on. If probably you ate at odd hours, going forward, to fix that, that you have to have a definite eating schedule. If you just ate anything that came your way, this year, you have to be a little bit predictable about the things you're going to eat, because you cannot expect different results doing the same things you did last year. That's madness. It can never happen. And so if you want to reinvent yourself in 2026 with authority and strength and grace and everything, and not with panic and fear and doubt and insecurities, you have to forgive yourself anything that happened last year and move ahead, forge ahead. The beautiful part about your life is ahead. The beautiful part about my life is ahead. We will be able to embrace embrace that fully only if we forgive ourselves for the things that went wrong. We take new steps to achieve the things we want to achieve this year. Creating a mental space is very important. If you cannot see it in your mind, you can never be it. If you cannot see it mentally, if you cannot build it mentally, if it cannot come from within you, you can never have it in your hands. The next way to win this year and beyond is that you need to build the mental strength and capacity that is needed to achieve everything you want to achieve this year. Don't take it for granted. Don't take it as a joke, and don't take it as guesswork. You need to strategically set up a plan of activities. One thing I have come to realize is the fact that all the Fortune 500 companies and all the people who we admire that are doing well in life don't have haphazard lives and have strong willpower. If you ask them about anything they are doing, if you ask them about anything about their lives, they have a definite and accurate answer to give you for that question. It's not because they cannot do guesswork or they cannot doubt what they are doing. It's because they understand that to deliver this much amount of results need the mental capacity that is needed, and they go ahead to inbuild that capacity. If you want to be a big man or a big woman or a great person tomorrow and you still have a chicken's brain, bro, you're going to be a chicken. If you have to be a great man tomorrow, you have to have a great man's brain. You have to have a great man's ability. You have to have a great man's skill. And you have to as well have a great man's community. You don't have to do guesswork and you don't have to joke around it. And one thing I advise you to do this year is you have to teach your heart and teach yourself to always stay calm. There are some people that the slightest thing that happens to them, their anxiety is already out of the roof. Every small thing that happens to them, they have already moved from 0 to 100. Life doesn't happen like that. Life is really simple. Life is fun. Life is nice, beautiful. You come to think about it, you know. So you have to be in that space internally of calm. Whatever comes your way, first of all, smile. Smile first at it. Process it. Don't just immediately fly to 100 in anger. Anger doesn't solve the problem. Anger doesn't help you. It doesn't help the situation. So the best thing you can do is that whatever comes your way, first of all, stay chill. There is a quote that says, when life throws lemon at you, make lemonade. That's how you have to be mentally this year. So much so that whatever comes your way, you first of all smile at it. You stay cool, you look at it, you understand it, and then you begin to take steps. Because if you just respond instinctively by default to everything that comes your way, burnout is waiting for you, frustration is waiting for you, disappointment is waiting for you, and at the end of the day, you will do very little with your life. Give yourself room to be the mature one in the face of anything. Give yourself that stamina. Whatever comes your way, just stay chill. Look at it, smile at it, and you do what you need to do about it. Don't kill yourself and don't pressure yourself for no reason. I hope that these points have helped you and have given you an idea of how to get into this year calm and stuff like that. You don't have to blame yourself for anything that happened last year. You don't have to blame yourself. I know some people will say, yes, it's your fault, yes, it's your fault, and all. The truth is that the year has already happened. 2025 will never come back again. Even this 2026 we are in, as it is slowly going down, it will never come back. You would never have 2026 in the history of your life. But one thing you can do, like I started this video by saying, is that you can engineer 2026 to be your best year on earth so far. And it's not hard, it is strategy. And I have given you the strategies in this video. And I am going to keep giving you the strategies on this channel. So if this kind of content is what you love, subscribe, because it's going to be a year. I'm going to literally pull you behind the curtains of my life and share with you from my heart things I know that have worked for me and things I am working on, so that together we can be the best version of who God made us to be, So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. The next video we're going to be looking at how to build discipline that lasts past January, because most people have goals that they have set this January, but those goals do not see much. So our next video, we are going to be looking at that, how to build systems and discipline that would help you take your goals beyond January. Probably I'm going to come with my notepad and stuff, but yeah, that video is going to be banger, you know. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, put a dislike. It's not going to hurt my feelings. And yeah, I'm going to hear I would love to hear what you think in the comments. Leave a comment below. Let's get the conversation rolling. And if there is anything you want me to talk about, if there is any particular topic you want me to talk about, put it down there below, and we are going to look at it. So from the carpenter's son, it's goodbye.